Hi, my name is Malika and I'm currently an esthetician student. I am so grateful for the opportunity to be able to apply for a scholarship because this journey means so much more to me than just skincare. So I chose a career in aesthetics due to my own skincare journey actually. After struggling with my skin, I had a lot of hyperpigmentation, and learning what works for me, I decided I wanted to help others. Diversity in the beauty community is just learning that not one size fits all. It means understanding that everyone is unique and has different unique patterns. And that can be based on their skin tone, type, and texture, especially for people of color who have always been historically underrepresented. So that they can feel seen and just know that their concerns are valid and are properly cared for within this industry. The aesthetics industry has the many opportunities to just uplift women, men, preteens. Like, it really can just help everyone. For me, by showing up authentically and just being myself and sharing my own personal story with those, I feel like that can help bring a more personal feel to the experience when I am servicing. I see the aesthetics industry as a platform to amplify voices that haven't always been heard. A Black woman and a future esthetician, I want to be the change that brings more awareness and representation to my community. Whether it's opening a safe space for women of color, educating the community, or simply making someone feel beautiful. Thank you so much for considering me. I'm excited to grow, to learn, and to pour into others the way aesthetics has poured into me. Bye guys.